Hi everyone, today I'm here in Bath. Just going to go and get like a little pre-dinner. Then I'm going to get my canoe and get in the river, which is just over there. But first, some food. This is going to be my third time in Bath. First, I came here, parked, looked at the river, bottled it, went home. Second time I actually got in the river, on the water, where I went to the camp, and opened my bag as I get my other camera out, and it was like soaked. And the sleeping bag was soaked, so it's like, no, I just went up, paddled back to my van, the car, and then went home. So third time this is. So we're going to do it tonight. Not coming back to Bath again for a while. Yeah. You know, sometimes you just find the excuses in anything. You know. But the second time I was pretty wet. Well, the stuff was anyway. So yeah, eat the rest of this burger and get the canoe off the roof. There's a few people about, but not too many. That's my thing. People. Anxiety. Well, I don't know why, because what they're going to say. What are you doing? Going in the river? But you know, yeah. We're going to do it tonight. No, I'm just gonna chuck it. Yeah, we'll just lower it a little bit then. Yeah, that's all right. Well, that's me in. That's the hardest bit, I think. Just the canoe's so big and, you know, unsubtle. But I'm going to paddle down the river a bit, show you some of Bath from the river, and show you where I'm going to camp tonight. Look at the way the roots from the trees like above have found their way through the little tiny holes in the middle. This river I'm on at the moment is the Avon. There's like a few Avons in southern England, but this is like the biggest one. There's the Canoe and Avon Canal down that way. There's a couple of locks where we're going down here. There is a bit of a weir, you know, where the water like drops, but there's an easy way to get up there for little boats. I did get my foot wet last time as well, but we'll try and stay dry this time. I thought about camping just under here in the past, but it gets pretty shallow as you go like up the bank, and there's loads of seagulls last time. What was that? Pigeons maybe? Don't know. The seagulls further up, definitely. Another boat coming. Hi.
Are you not scared of falling in?
No, that'd be alright.
I'm so scared.
Try not to.
You can't get this strength to go down. Be safe.
Thank you. I don't know why I didn't think of coming in here. Try and park up there somewhere, but probably a bit residential, but nice and easy to get in. Nice little slip road. Big church. Well, not a great view of it, but it's up there. Sounds like they're playing cricket just over there. So here's a clip from my first attempt of some people playing cricket just over there, because I can't be asked to get out of the water now. Coming up to the weir now. So many more people about today. The last day I came here, it was a Saturday as well I think, but there wasn't so many tourists about. Here, loads of Americans here today. Some young swans coming up as well, so we're trying to take a wide berth of them. To the right of the weir and to the right of the boat, we've got like up a ramp, so we get a little bit of speed up. If I can. It's quite a steep ramp as well. So. wet this time. Just to get my brush back a bit. You want to stay under one of these, but furthest one. We might be in the line of sight, even in like the one tucked away, the three like arches, third arch. But well, people didn't. What's someone going to do? Hey, I could call a lifeboat. I guess. Oh yeah, fire and rescue says someone's stuck down there, but probably not. Wood. I don't know how many trips that boat has got to go again. I think that might be the last one because it's about this time when it came past back down the river. Last time I was here like a month ago. Sorry, that was a weird sentence. Yeah, hopefully not many more boats. So this is Bath. There's a cafe on that bridge. Never been, but yeah. It's quite a busy place, especially on a Saturday in the summer. McDonald's was horribly slow. So in a minute I'm going to turn back and go hide under the bridge. It is an absolutely beautiful day for it. It was quite hot earlier today, but now it's nice this time of night. Sign, danger, weir ahead, through bridge. Do you reckon boats just pelt it through? They can't slow down in time. I think I might be in a few people's pictures today. You can just about see, well I don't know if you can, but some of the hills. There's a nice church on the hill. I'm going to crash. Here was the spot I was tied to last time I was here when I got this far. So I'm going to get myself spun around and tied back up and just chill for a bit. I'm going to float back and forth for like a while. I think I only got one rope on the boat. Might make it shorter and then just have it from. I can. No, I probably can't. I was going to say I'll try and take the rope off that side and put it on the back, but that would involve me moving a lot, and I don't want to end up in the river. So yeah, maybe just have to just get myself along the wall a bit later somehow. That building there, I think it might be an office. Looks too like unpersonal. No, like people's belongings in the balconies and windows and stuff. Yeah. There's people up here looking at me probably right now. But yeah, good to be seen. We can see the people down there. But yeah, it's going to be camping in plain sight maybe, but camping in the centre of Bath, so I think that's pretty cool. Boat just went past, like 2 people on it, so I think that might be it. Maybe just a woman and the captain. I've tied myself up a little better so I don't drift out, swing my rear. I can still be like facing this way, just a bit prettier. There's a little like dip, like a ramp in the middle of the weir. Well, maybe we'll have a look at it in the morning, see if we want to go down there. You know, we'll pack all our stuff up in a dry bag and we'll, you know, see if we can hit some rapids, you know. That might be fun. But yeah, we'll have a look first. But I'm going to do some cooking now. Get some food in me, because surprisingly the phone signal's not that good under the bridge. So let's get some food on the go. Do a quick, easy pasta. I've cooked the pasta already, so it saves a lot of time. Pasta, probably don't need all that, that's quite a lot. Tomatoes, pepper, beer. Got like a Aldi rip-off of Moretti, I think. Yeah. Oil, bacon lardons, smelly guanciale. I'll put the name of the dish I'm trying to, you know, recreate with stuff from Lidl. Cube of cheese, grater, salt, chilli. Yeah. Let's get this open. The wind's picked up quite a bit. It's going to be blowing against this wall all night. Cheers everyone. Not bad, but still warm. So hopefully quick pasta. Oil. Bacon. There. Friend the fat up it, turned it right down. Now I'm going to add some chili flakes. Here with them. Just been moving around the boat to keep the boat not too hot. Now the tomatoes going. And I crush them. Just going to heat them through, keep them kind of fresh. I'm going to use Pecorino Romano, but this is just a bit of I don't know, Pecorino. This is hard cheese. I like cheese, so It's sparkling right there. Yep, that'd do. Person feeding birds still over there. It's alright, they're not bothering me with my pasta. I wonder if seagulls like Italian food. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Finish my beer and just relax. A swan has turned up and the seagulls have gone. There's just a helicopter above. But why is this swan here? Is this where the swan sleeps? I don't really care for swan. There's no babies though, so hopefully if the swan just stays there, I'll stay here. We'll both have a nice peaceful night. There was just a bit of a splash behind me. Don't know what these bubbles are either. Someone just waiting to see if like a cormorant pops its head out the water or something. £8 now. Still not got my bed set up. Give another half an hour and then I'll be time. There's still people up here though, like throwing bread, I think. Where have they gone? Where have they gone? Every now and again you're still hearing people. Well, there's a pub or something back there, a bit further up. And the railings are not too far. So you'll get a few people through the night, I guess. Saturday night. University town, but it's summer. But that swan's still behind me over there somewhere. It's waiting. Wait for me to fall asleep. Then I'll peck my eyes out. So. Just wait a little longer, then I'll get my bed ready. 9 o'clock it will be dark. I'm all set up now, got my sleeping bag. Head torch on just in case I want to see something. I don't know, yeah, pretty much on my pillow. I was going to say I'm ready for bed, but find my pillow and try and watch some Netflix or something. 9:15 now, pretty quiet, all the seagulls are gone, all I can hear is their weir. Every now and again I see like a reflection of people in the lights from up above, up there, but I think we'll be alright, you know, touch wood. Half 9 now. But I'm pretty tired. So I'm gonna get off to sleep probably. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's 3 minutes to 6. Not the best sleep. A bit broken, and I didn't bring any water, so a little bit of a cough at one point. But we're alright. And just slowly start getting ready to leave. Might be nice to paddle down where it's still like twilighty. Everything's packed up now. Jacket on because it's a little chilly and I need a wee, so let's get out of here. There seems to be some swans. Around this bit of wood and now it's a bit stuck on the liquid. So I'll sort that out and then I'll go my way. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Here's a not very good view of Bath Abbey, but you can see some of the other buildings around here. Parked in a bus stop. Nice hotel. Yeah, but Bath's all like this sandstone or whatever it is, limestone. Who knows? Who knows? People know, but you know. And here is just where I was last night. Let's have a look, see what we can see. Yeah, very visible. Look, we got it. Sleeping in the centre of Bath. This really is the end. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.